Scalapay is the leading buy now, pay later provider in Southern Europe. The company was created in 2019, so we achieved this in just a bit more than 3 years. What drove us, to this achievement is the fact that when we looked at the first e-commerce and then in-store, we saw that there was a lack of payment solutions of the way customers were completing the purchase. There was a very low conversion rate for online purchases, especially. And when we came into the market, we saw this opportunity, and we decided to allow our merchants, to increase the penetration, to increase their average order value. And when we started in 2019, was in the beginning in Italy, online only, and then we expanded the service in store in France, in Germany, in Spain, in Portugal, and the rest of Europe thereafter. Now Scalapay, it's a complete checkout solution. So buy now, pay later is a part of the business, but now we cover the checkout experience also with another product that is called Magic Checkout. So it's a 360-degree experience, improving the shopper experience and the merchant experience, selling more. Our industry in the last 12-14 months has changed dramatically. If you think at COVID, for instance, we can really divide the world before and after COVID. And it's an unfortunate event, but for the world we are in, and mostly e-commerce, was very beneficial, because on a way people decided to, instead of going to the shops and buy, was just switching to an online experience where they could buy everything from home. So in markets like Italy, France, Spain, that were massively underpenetrated for e-commerce, there was a new a boom for these markets, and something that got more in line with more developed markets for e-commerce like Germany, UK, and the US, for instance. We integrated Jumio in the checkout experience, especially because it helped us to better understand our customers, with a verification of who is actually purchasing, preventing frauds, preventing duplicate accounts, and making sure that we could accept as many customers as possible, at the same time minimizing our risk. As you can imagine, Scalapay is also in-store, but especially online when you don't really see a customer. When you have a tool, a powerful tool like Jumio, which is real-time, you can do the complete process between Scalapay and Jumio verification in less than 2 minutes. That's a perfect solution for us to improve the customer experience, to improve the approval rate, and minimizing default for us. So it's a win-win, I would say, for us, for the customer, and for Jumio. Our target customers are a mix of categories. I would say that is whoever shops mostly online, and we see it mostly in the young generation, so especially between 25 and 34, or 35 and 44. And again, mostly women, but it's not, of course, a selection. It's more of we are present on a lot of fashion brands, beauty brands, and also products for children. And who are the people who do the shopping? They are women. And in that age range, it's surprising, however, that you can also see elderly people spending with Scalapay, so adopting a new way of payment, as well as teenagers, the Gen X, the new generation, that really likes and gets closer to merchants, especially in high fashion, where the average order value is quite high, and we make fashion, luxury, affordable also for the young generation that maybe cannot really afford to buy, let's say, a 3,000 euro bag. With Scalapay, they buy and they pay 1,000 today, 1,000 in a month, 1,000 in 2 months. I think we have a great future ahead for our organization. As you might know, we recently raised circa 500 million euro, becoming a unicorn company, which means with a valuation above 1 billion. We're very proud of this achievement. Especially this will help us to give more support to merchants and customers to improve their shopping experience and develop new products in new markets where we're gonna be responsible, for the whole checkout experience and not just buy now pay later, the category where we are famous for right now. I think with Jumio we can achieve this together, and very very positive for the future, given the current geopolitical environment. But it's something that we're willing to do.